A warm welcome to all. The subject is Protection in Switchgear, Unit 1 Protection Schemes. The syllabus for protection schemes: principles and need for protective schemes, nature and causes of faults, types of faults, methods of grounding, zones of protection, and essential qualities of protection schemes. Topics covered in this session are principles and need for protective schemes, zones of protection schemes. Before going into the subject, we need to discuss about electric power system. Number 1 is power plant where electricity is generated. Number 2 is step-up transformer where voltage is stepped up here. And in step 3, energy travels along a transmission line. And number 4 is step-down transformer. It is used to decrease the voltage. And in step 5, distribution takes place. And finally, in step 6, electricity is transmitted to the consumers. The major parts of the above power system are shown in single line diagram here. The major components are generator, step up and step down transformer, transmission line, buses and motor. There are some of the primary equipment and components. The major equipments are grounding, arrestor, switchgear, reactors, voltage transformer and current transformer, regulators. Why we are going for protection? Mainly for safety and to protect the device. Protection system: a series of devices whose main purpose is to protect persons and primary electric power equipment from the effects of faults. The characteristics are loss of service in a large area, hazard to human life, may result in economic losses. The main causes are overreaction and bad design of the protection system. The next topic is primary and backup protection. In primary protection, there are some protective zones: generator protective zone, generator transformer protective zone, busbar protective zone, transmission line protective zone. A protective zone is the separate zone which is established around each system element. The primary protection is the first line of defense and is responsible to protect all the power system elements from all the types of faults. The next protection is backup protection. The backup protection comes into play only when the primary protection fails. The backup protection is provided as the main protection can fail due to many reasons like failure in circuit breaker, failure in protective relay, failure in tripping circuit, loss of voltage or current supply to the relay. In this diagram, the relays 2, 4, 11, 9 are primary relays, 1, 3, 12, 10 are backup relays. The bus bars are C and D. If fault occurs, the circuit breaker 5 fails and then circuit breaker 6 acts as a protection and 6th circuit breaker is known as backup protection. Power system without protection. If a system without protection, it creates damage to the equipment. The elements of protection system: current and voltage transformers, relays, circuit breakers, batteries, fuses, lightning arresters. The main device is relay. It is used to sense the fault and information is given to the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker isolates the faulty part from the healthy part. The main purpose is to isolate controlling circuit from controlled circuit, and it controls high voltage system with low voltage and also high current system with low current. Advantages for using protective relays: detect system failures when they occur and isolate the faulted section from the remaining of the system, mitigating the effects of failures after they occur, minimize risk of fire, danger to personnel and other high voltage systems. Circuit breaker. The major classifications of circuit breakers are low voltage circuit breaker, magnetic circuit breaker, medium voltage circuit breaker and high voltage circuit breaker. The next device is fuse. The fuse is used to protect the low voltage or low current rating devices. Lightning arrestor. A lightning arrestor is a device used on the electrical power system to protect the insulation damaging effect of lightning. The next is switchgear. Switchgear is the combination of switches, fuses or circuit breakers used to control, protect and isolate electrical equipment. It is used to de-energize the equipment and is used to clear the faults. There are some of voltage-wise switchgear categories. Low voltage switchgear up to 11 kV, medium voltage switchgear up to 66 kV, high voltage switchgear up to 400 kV, extra high voltage switchgear up to 765 kV, HVDC switchgear. Thank you.